wasn't able to stand up straight. And I had chronic back pain 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And when my general practitioner sent me to my pain management doctor, and he sent me to a neurosurgeon, he said that he would not operate because I was not having the type of pain that I should be having. So then, for a second opinion, I came to Dr. Cubbage. And as soon as I walked in the door and met him, I knew I was in the right place. I was on lower tab 10, and pretty much I couldn't do anything. It was difficult for me to do laundry. It was difficult for me to try to cook, to try to do dishes. It was just hard to get around it all. I really appreciated the professionalism here. They made you feel extremely comfortable. They made me feel like a part of the family. With everything that had gone on with my back, I had had 4 spine surgeries before. And when I was in Kentucky, and I had not been able to stand up straight for over 3 years. And when he diagnosed me, he explained to me that my spine had buckled, that I had a vertebra that had fractured, but he explained what could go wrong and why a lot of doctors would not attempt to do the type of surgery he was going to do in that area. And then he gave me some time to think about it. But to me, there was no thinking. I knew immediately I was going to get it done and that he was going to be the one to do it. Because anything else that goes wrong with my back, I will find Dr. Cubbage wherever he is and get him to do my surgery. I was a bit anxious because I knew it was in an area that dealt with the spinal cord, but I had confidence in Dr. Cubbage and his team. To me, there was no question about having it done. I knew he could do it, and it was in God's hands. But I knew that Dr. Cubbage could take care of it. I had faith and confidence in him and his team. They talked to me and answered any questions that I had, no matter when I had a question. You know, they all made me feel very comfortable, and they told me to feel free to call anytime. I can stand up straight again. Now I'm not on a cane. I'm not using a walker. When I went back home in August, I did so many things I could not have done before. It's just made a huge difference in my life. I feel like I can live again, whereas before I felt like I was just going to be stuck inside for the rest of my life. The fact that I can stand up straight and get around. I no longer have chronic back pain. I mean, it's made a huge difference in my life. I can get out and go and do things that I could not do and have not been able to do for years. And it's just given me a new lease on life. I feel like I'm in a new chapter. Don't give up hope. And because one doctor says that they're not going to do it, don't stop there. Keep going. You know your body better than anybody else. And my recommendation would be Dr. Cubbage. Always Dr. Cubbage.